get hurt, boy. You hurt Brandon, he's gonna hurt you. Wes in his checker flag freaking undies. Brandon is now the playground. Oh, hush, Wes. Wesley, stop kneeing him, dude.
You don't have a tooth.
Don't be kicking me. I'm not a part of this. Not yet. Oh, who's gonna cry first?
Probably Dent. He's starting to whimper.
Wesley looks like a fish. That's just all wrong. Where's Hans at?
Oh, you alright?
Oh.
Hey, you okay?
That was an accident with Dance.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, that was uncalled for, Dent. So that was uncalled for. Don't do that again. You wimp? Wimp. Oh, we taking off the socks. Oh shit, we serious? And then strapped again. There goes Wes. Hi, Dad. What's up, dude? Hi, Daddy. Love you. Oh, I bet that felt great. What's up with this, like, jumping taekwondo bird thing? You got issues, child. Come on, Dan. Wesley's taking more blows than you. What was that? Whoa, dude.
Look at this strong man.
Got the booty. Come on, Dent. Brady cat. Dent's a Brady cat. You gonna let your little brother take all that heat? You're a retard, Dent. Come on. Come on, Dent. Brady cat. Don't you even kick him in the face. That's when mommy's gonna get involved. Dent!
You alright?
I say pull his happy little butt off that chair.
Huh?
I'm not old enough.
Yeah, you are. If you're old enough to try to kick me, you're old enough to get bent up like a pretzel.
Then you're gonna be the next pretzel child.
Can I have my drink, please?
No. I want to see Dent not be a chicken. I got you on videotape, chicken. It's on. Wait, let's see. The face, breathe. Oh, hush. Wait, you gotta pinch the booty. Pinch the booty. You didn't help Wes. Why should Wes help you? Okay, I think he's done.
Hey, you alright? You alright? You alright? You gotta pee it?
Wesley, I'll get you water in a minute.
Sit it down.
You two done? You done? Toothless Wonder? Hi.
No.
Look. Oh, no. Oh, look. There's a butt. That's a pretty cat.
Go pull your pants up, gangster.
Look, butt.
I'd hit you in the forehead.
I wouldn't.
The boy. Get your hands out of your pocket, gangster. Oh, but you won't. Ninja attack. Daddy having fun.
I gotta get a shirt on.
No, you don't. Trust me, you don't need it. Hey, Punk. You're on videotape, honey. I'm recording you.
You okay? Let me see. Oh, you alright? Oh, you okay?
Oh,
Huh?
My turn.
Yeah. Hey, you.
Hi. Gotcha.
Hey, get out of here.
Don't you try that
You're
again.
on her.
Okay.